Hello everyone. So a lot has been talked about what is S4HANA, and I'll try to summarize in a very three-point answer here. So S4HANA is the new flagship ERP from SAP, has been built on the HANA platform. So what is HANA platform? Largely in-memory database. Data is persisted in memory, not in disk, a lot faster, but there's a lot more than just in memory and on a database. So it's a platform. But in terms of an S4, what does it really change? It changes in 3 points. First of all, in the past, you used to have a transactional system and a reporting system, analytical system. So data was replicated, and you needed to run transactions on one side, reporting in another. You have the option now to have systems where the transactional and the analytical are combined, because both reside and rely on the same set of data, and with the platform, it is fast enough to provide that. So instead of, for example, having a transactional system creating purchase orders and an analytical system where you evaluate vendors and figure out what is the best one, now you can have the app that creates purchase orders, allowing you to propose vendors on the fly based on real analytical queries. The second point is some parts of the application that were very, very high intense processing time, like MRP and backorder processing, have been rewritten to leverage the new platform. So they can run a lot faster, and on top of being also simpler. So instead of having many hours to run MRP or backorder processing, 7-8 hours in some customers, it's conceivable that it can run in just a few hours and run that more often during the day. So it's a big change of paradigm, and that can actually open the door for new applications. Now, the third point is also very important, is the change of user experience. SAP has invested a lot to get that old impression that an ERP has to be boring. Now, a lot was invested in the Fiori deployment within SAP, and beyond the technical aspects of what Fiori is, that is HTML5 based, responsive design, it is more than that. It's more than a technical answer. It is also a design approach. So applications are simple first, they look great, they're task-oriented, role-based. So now the applications are simpler, they're looking sleek, they're fast. Cloud is central to the strategy of SAP. That reflects in the product. The product is being developed S4HANA cloud first, and availability of functionalities being then made available to the on-prem version, but it's that center in the strategy of SAP. It reflects what the market is going. Customers are understanding that cloud solutions are simpler, cost less, greater return on investment. So for us, the decision to go with S4HANA Cloud, it was the main one was to support our growth. Our company has been growing at a very, very fast pace. We were 118 a little over a year ago, and now we're 200 already, with expansions geographically in France, South Africa, and US. So we needed a system that would support this growth and would support the functionality increase that comes with the growth. Now, at the same time, a lot of customers have been asking, what is S4HANA Cloud and so on. And so we thought, what would be the best way to learn it, apart from trying to read about it or trying to implement to customers, than actually become a customer and implement ourselves. An SAP customer, it's more than just a partner. We really believe in it to a point where we're putting our mission-critical systems running the product we sell. And the last part, but it's a very important one, is that cloud is part of our DNA. Beyond Technology is a company built using cloud solutions from the very early stages. We never thought we would have the bandwidth or would justify in any way to start administrating, controlling hardware or doing backups. We will never be where we are today if we were not supported by a cloud solution. The second part is you may be very willing, very committed, but if you don't have the right skill set around the table, this is going to be difficult. So we built a strong team here. We're very happy to have done that, proud of it. And we had help from SAP to achieve and be where we are. So we believe that we have the right players around the table. It has to be change management again. You are moving away from homegrown, heavy development-based solutions, now going to an approach where you're taking more as-is, off-the-shelf, proven, run scenarios. So it's a different mindset, and that has to be really the alignment across the organization. So otherwise, you may have challenges. I think there are several points why I believe Beyond Technologies is very well positioned to help customers in their S4HANA Cloud journey. The first is the skill set, knowledge. We've been very early adopters. We have been running it. We have projects in our belt, and we leverage the best of both worlds. So we have that deep on-premise knowledge to understand how the underlying software works. But we are really into the DNA of cloud. Been running cloud solutions for a while and successful S4 cloud projects. But I want to just emphasize the culture of a company. Beyond Technology is a company that we really believe that we have to put ourselves in the shoes of customers. Customers are making a big investment, and we want to partner with them. We want to implement with them. We do that as a one-team approach. With this one-team approach, it doesn't matter if the project goes live on a certain date. If it doesn't deliver value, if it's not cost effective, it is a failure for us as well. We have that mindset from very early on. It's part of our culture, and what could be more engagement and commitment to customers than doing it ourselves? You guys are buying SAP software because you believe in SAP solutions. So do we. It's not that just we implement for implementing. We believe the solutions that we're implementing and selling are sound and proof. We're doing ourselves in our own organization. I don't think there's a statement stronger than that. So that's it. We've done it ourselves. We're ready to help people doing the same.